Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to customize more your logo. Okay, so if you want to change your name, you can just double click on it and change the name like you want. For example, if you want the restaurant R big, hold R big, so our restaurant is bigger. If you want to change the color, click on it. Also, we have something called as gradients. If you go down, you will be able to change the way you want. So these are some of the gradients that we can use. It works for icons also. So this is the icon. Let's change this with the gradient color. Let's use this. Okay, the gradient is added. Our restaurant logo has been changed, and that's it. Our logo is ready. And if you want, if you can also change the slogan also by clicking on here, and then you can change the font size. If you want big, you can make it big. And this is done. So this has been changed. We can now see our logo is much better now. Okay, so let's try to save it. But before that, we will need to understand that our logo will be best when it will be more transparent. Okay, so let's go to our snipping tool, SNIP. The snipping tool is available in Windows 7, 10, 8. So this is saved. Okay, so let's again save it. New logo, save it. So you can see the logo is still not transparent. Okay, so let's try to make it transparent. To make it transparent, we will find a tool that will make the logo transparent. Search for transparent, and then try to find transparent logo, and you will get a link. Okay, so let me show you the best link that you can use for making your logo transparent. So there is a link for Lunapic, LUNAPIC. This is the best website for making your logo transparent instantly. Okay, so our next step is to load our logo in this website. So let's choose the file. Choose the file that you have saved. For now, my pictures are saved here. Let's try to find the logo. This is the new logo. Let's hit the. It will take some time depending on your hosting, and then you just have to click on the border, and that's it. Next step is, you can see our logo has been changed from an opaque logo to an transparent logo. So now it's our time to save it, and in the next step we will try to add that in our website. Awesome. So let me show you the transparent logo. So this is the best logo, and we can use it anywhere where you want. Thanks for watching.